Top-flight football returns to Salerno for the first time since 1999 as the Stadio Arecchi is once more a Serie-A ground. Beaten in their opener at Bologna, Salernitana's task becomes harder still this evening as they entertain Mourinho's in-form Roma. Karsdorp clipping it forward, looking for Pellegrini. This is Mkhitaryan. And an opportunity perhaps here for Vigne to strike. And it needed saving by Bellet. Abraham with a flick on by Pellegrini. And that's Mancini looking to loop it over the goalkeeper. That was all he could really do with it. Couldn't generate enough power. Yalosinski's throw. Obi tried to flick it on. That's Mamadou Koulibaly. Vigne now. Lovely ball in. This is Lorenzo Pellegrini. And Roma take the lead. 2.5 minutes played in the second half, and the captain comes up with the goods. Carles Perez, Abraham, Mkhitaryan, there too. That is sensational football. It's a wonderful goal from the Giallorossi. Everything they lacked in the opening 45 minutes was showcased right there. And now Salernitana look to respond. It's broken here for Joel Obi. A cutback for Bonazzoli, who should have scored. Salernitana don't get it clear. This is Karsdorp. Abraham's header. And it's pushed away as Mkhitaryan closed in. Now Jordan Vertu to pick his spot. And Bellet thrust out a hand and kept the score down. Vertu nearly had a second brace in as many weeks. Carles Perez, Tammy Abraham! There it is! His first goal in Italian football is a beauty. Still Roma come again. Pellegrini to curl in. It's number 4. He started the party and he has just about finished it there. But it's a second half showing to delight Jose Mourinho from Roma. Salernitana 0, Roma 4.